Network attacks. Fragment is when an attacker fragments traffic in such a way that a system is unable to put data packets back together. An oversized packet is purposely sending a network packet that is larger than expected that can be handled by the receiving system, causing receiving system to fail unexpectedly. Spoofing is an attack with the goal of gaining access to a target system. This would be through the use of a false MAC address, IP, username, or getting within the system itself. A man-in-the-middle attack is an attack where the adversary positions himself between the user and the system to interpret and alter data traveling in between. A virus is the earliest malicious code to plague security admins. Two functions would be propagation and destruction. The code spreads without consent of a user. A worm is a network security threat with destructive potential as other malicious code propagates without human interaction. A Trojan horse program carrying malicious behind-the-scenes code with potential to wreak and havoc. An on-path attack is an attack where you place yourselves between two devices to intercept or modify info intended for on both endpoints. Phishing is a very common attack that attempts to misdirect legitimate users to malicious sites through the abuse of URLs or hyperlinks in emails. Side channels are passive, non-invasive attacks to observe operations of a device and fault analysis attacks. APT is threats that demonstrate unusually high levels of technology and operational sophistication spanning months or even years. Ransomware is malware used for facilitating attack that use cryptography to lock files on effective CPUs and require ransom fee for unlock. An on-path attack is attacking placing themselves between two devices, otherwise known as a man-in-the-middle attack.